Hi everybody, I'm Selva Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Fatima College, Madurai. I'm going to teach about packages in Java. Yes, packages is a very important concept in Java. We are having various object-oriented concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, etc. So apart from this, packages is nothing but we can have all the things related to a project inside a folder and you can access according to the access we are having. As already said, packages helps to assemble all the classes into different folders. We can have it a single folder or we can have multiple folders. So it is easier to find and utilize bundle of classes. We can also work with sub-packages, interfaces. Interfaces and classes with same name can't be found inside a single package. That is the only restriction. Apart from this, you can work with sub-packages and interfaces. There are two types of packages, that is built-in package and user-defined package. Built-in package is nothing but existing Java packages that come along with the Java development kit. That is, for example, we'll be using java.io.star, java.lang, etc. So these packages are existing packages that will come as built-in packages. User-defined packages or user-defined classes, that is the classes that was created by the users and later it was converted as packages. Now let us see how to import user-defined packages. After import statement, we'll be using a star. For example, import java.star or import java.io.star. So here, using a particular class name after import statement will be checking with that particular class alone. Star represents n number of multiple classes available inside a package. So as given in this example, java.star will just give out all the packages, all the classes that we have used inside this Java. Java.io.star, it represents a particular class called IO, that is input output classes. Using fully qualified name, that is, for example, the data can be returned to the main function, that is my package dot test object is equal to new my package dot test. So, and then we are having the object. We are using that particular object and we can call a particular function. So, likewise, we'll be using or working with packages. There are 5 predefined packages in Java. Java.lang, util, IO, net, and applet. So lang will be having classes, object strings, and thread. IO will be having IO stream, that is input, output stream, and output stream. And then we'll be having utility, which will contains linked list, date, calendar, hash table, etc. Final thing is java.net, which will work with the URL and the sockets. And java.applet will be working with the applet classes. So in the version Java 1.8, we are having 14 predefined packages, 150 sub-packages, and nearly 7,000 classes. In the latest version, we'll be having more than 7 lakh methods. Now let us enter into the syntax and usage. You can see here from the first statement, we can have package. That is nothing but the keyword which we'll be using to define a package. Package name is the name what we are giving to that particular package. So package, my package. So here package is the keyword and my package is my package name. So inside that I'm having public class test. Test is the class what we are going to use. That is, I have used the example as test. And inside that, I'm having one main function and then one function called message. So this main function, inside this main function, I'm having just hello world to be printed. And then inside this message, that is the function, we are having just a hello statement. So here we have to use command prompt to execute, right? So here we are going to set the path and as usual, like running the other classes, we can just execute this particular class. That is test.java is just compiled and we'll be getting the class name. So when we are working like this, we'll be getting error message when we are giving Java test. That is, it will just tell class not found exception because we are just inside that particular package, but we are just executing it from outside the package. So like this, we have to follow. We can see here, you have to set the path and then you have to give Java C main class dot Java and then you have to execute Java my package dot test. So you have to give the package name and then you have to give dot test to execute it. So you can get hello world and hello as the outputs. As already said, we are having different access specifiers when we are going to work with packages. So private, no modifier, protected and public. So when we are going to use the same class, so all the things can be accessible. When we are having the same package subclasses, private cannot be used and all the other things can be used. And then same package for non-subclasses, private cannot be used and other things we can use. Different packages of subclasses, private as well as no modifier cannot be used, protected and public can be used. Different packages for non-subclasses, private, no modifier and protected cannot be used where only public can be used. So this is how we are going to create a package and we can execute it. Thank you.